Now, many times you must have seen in movies where a person is sitting in front of a black screen, typing something very fast on the keyboard, and some text in green color keeps appearing in front. Such scene often depict a hacker hacking someone's phone or breaking into a government server, creating an air of mystery. But have you ever wondered what they are actually doing while tapping so fast? So in this video we are going to uncover the secret behind those lightning fast keystroke and uncover the truth behind those captivating hacking scenes. Welcome back to another exciting video of our ongoing series on shell scripting. My name is Om Singh and I am here teaching complete shell scripting from basics to advanced, all available for free on YouTube. If you are interested, don't forget to check out the playlist link in the description of this video, and please hit that like and subscribe button as it keeps us motivated for creating more such videos for you guys. Now let's get started. So these quote and unquote hacking scenes are nothing but an exaggerated portrayal of use of terminal and shell commands. And however it might seem confusing, but in reality it's not. Rather, it's very easy, and for the same, here I have top 15 important shell commands that we should all know. And these commands are not only helpful to those ones who are learning shell scripting, but also to those who in general are learning Linux as a new operating system. Now let's directly dive into shell commands.
The very first command that we have here is who am I. The who am I command allows you to identify the user currently logged into your machine. As we discussed in the previous video, it's very important to be cautious by which user you are logged into your machine. So this command will help you in the same. So if I type who am I and hit enter in the terminal, you can see it shows Kali, which means currently we are logged in as Kali user. And now if I enter sudo su to switch user, and then enter who am I, you can see this time it shows root, which means currently we are logged in as root user. So you can see how the who am I command works. This command comes especially handy in scenarios where multiple user uses a single system, enabling you to quickly determine the active user. The next command that we have here is clear. Now the clear command in Linux help us to remove all the previous commands and results from the terminal. So if I run clear command and hit enter, you can see the terminal become nice, neat and clean. We also have the shortcut to execute the clear command. Simply press and hold CTRL with L key. Moving on to our next command, and that is pwd. Here pwd stands for print working directory. In Linux, a directory is another term for folder, as we say in Windows. And as the name suggests, its function is to display the full path of your current working directory. So if I type pwd here and hit enter, you can see it shows /home/Kali, which is the complete path of our current directory. The next command that we have here is ls. The ls command is used to display all files and directories. So for example, if I type ls and hit enter, you can see that it has listed all the subdirectories currently present under the home directory. This ls command can also be used to retrieve the list of directories that are not part of our current directory. For example, if you want to view the content of bin directory, you can type the command ls followed by the full path of bin directory. So ls/bin, hit enter, and you can see it has listed all the subdirectories currently present under the bin directory. So the ls command is very versatile and can be applied to any specific directory, not just the one you are currently in. Moving on to the cd command. So cd here stands for change directory, and as the name suggests, it is used to change directory. The syntax for this command is cd and then the directory name you want to move to along with its full path. So currently I'm in my home directory, and how do I check it? Of course, by using the pwd command. So hit enter and you can see it shows home/Kali, which means I am in my home directory. And let's suppose I want to move to bin directory. So in this condition, I can pass the command cd/bin, hit enter, and you can see it shows /bin. Again, you can check it by passing the pwd command. And you can see it changed from /home/Kali to /bin. So this command works on all directory regardless of wherever you are located. Now the cd command also provides us with some more functionalities. For example, if you want to move to your root directory, you can simply pass the command cd with a /. A / in Linux represents the root directory. So if you hit enter, we are in root directory. And if I pass pwd, you can see it only shows the forward slash. Similarly, if you want to move back again to your home directory, you can pass the command cd with a tilde. You can find the tilde key just above your tab key. Okay, so hold shift, press it and hit enter, and you can see we are in home directory. So if I type pwd/home/kali, so tilde here represents your home directory in Linux. And the last we have cd with two dots. This one is used when you want to move to your parent directory from its current subdirectory. So if I type cd space with two dots, hit enter, you can see now we are in home directory, which previously was home/kali. And if I type pwd, you can see we have moved just one directory up from /home/kali to just /home. So that's it for this video, guys. Now I know that I have told you that we will learn 15 commands, but it will become a very long video. So I have divided the video in 3 parts, 5 commands each video. So 2 more video remains of this part and it will come next. So till then you can subscribe and hit the bell icon. You will get notified for the upcoming videos. And if you're finding our video useful, please hit that like button. It gives us motivation to create more videos for you guys for free.